everyone, it's Doom99667, and today I'll be showing you how to install and use PermissionsEx. Okay, so you're going to need to download PermissionsEx, Essentials, and Essentials Chat, or some other kind of a chat manager. Just download them from the links in the description. Some of them might be version 1.7.2 Bukkit, but that doesn't matter because 1.7.2 works with 1.7.9. I don't know why. And you're also going to need a Bukkit or Spigot server, obviously. So just open that up. Whatever. Okay, there. Go to the plugins and drag those in there. Why is my computer doing this? Whatever. Just drag those in there. Okay. Then run your server. My computer's being really slow today. And the reason you need Essentials Chat to use this, the reason you need Essentials to run Essentials Chat is because Essentials is like the core thing for all the extras, and you need that for any extra thing. The group manager, or chat, or anti-build, or spawn. It might take longer than usual to run this because it's processing the plugins for the first time. Okay. Okay, done. As you can see, it's made some stuff here, like Essentials and PermissionsEx, and then plugins, metrics, and okay. So open up the PermissionsEx file folder, and you're gonna see two files: config and permissions. Okay, so open up permissions, and I would recommend using an editor like Notepad++, but you can just use WordPad if you want. But this just makes it easier. So this is going to be here by default, and this is just a thing that says groups, and this is the name of the group. We can go ahead and name this whatever we want. Then default, that just says whether or not the player will get the default permissions. So if you put this to false, the player will not get any permissions unless you give them right here in the permissions thing. Okay. I'll show you. There's also prefix, which you can add if you want to. You got to do single quotation mark, then the color code you got to do @8 @L, in the bracket, then the color code you want. I can't remember all of them right now, so I'll just do something random. Player, then you gotta do @8 @L again, because this is the color of the brackets. So that's the color of the bracket, that's the color of the thing. And then you gotta do that again, or one bracket is going to be a different color than the other. Close bracket, and then you gotta do F. Okay, then you can just add the permissions. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something. I'll do it in a second. So what a permission is basically the name of the plugin that provides the command, and then then the command. And yeah, if you just do that and then start typing like that, it's going to go red. So you got to go back all the way, and then do the dash, then the other essentials stuff. Essentials mail.send. Okay, and if it's 2 words, you just do another dot. So like the mail send thing is like that. Essentials dot rules. I'm not gonna go through like a huge thing like mine, like my permissions one for my real server, because that would just take way too long. Okay. Let me just do this real quick. So yeah, builder. Then you can really make whatever ranks you want. Moderator, all that. Doesn't matter. And I'll leave a link to the color code thing, because there's like some kind of thing that tells you every single one, and I think that's cool. Yeah, and there's also the the other things I want to show you, like the wildcard command. It's whatever plugin it is, and then dot ampersand. That gives you all the permissions that plugin has. It lets you do all the commands that plugin has. But I wouldn't recommend giving any of these to your normal players. Then I'm going to show you the inheritance thing. Inheritance is basically, like say you don't have to write all these nodes again for this one. You can just do inheritance dash the name of the group. So now this thing will have, builder will have all the same permissions as player and its own permissions. Okay. And then, if you're wondering, is there like a permission that you can give so someone has all the permissions that are possible? The answer is yes. And that is what I will show you in just 1 second. Let me finish up with this. Okay. And the permission is, let's do the dash like normal, and then single quotation, ampersand, ampersand, not X. And that's a permission that will give you every single permission possible to get. And you probably don't need to do inheritance if you're using that permission. This is like the permission you give to like head admins and stuff like that. And that's what you got to do to set it up. And I'll leave all those links in the description. And now I'm going to show you that it worked. Okay. And you're going to need to do file and save, or just like click the X thing up right there. Because with Notepad++, it won't save unless you tell it to save. So, yeah. What's wrong with this? So yeah, and the command to just reload it is pex reload. Come on. What the heck? Pex reload. Okay, says it reloaded, and then do pex user whatever your name is, new group, set, then whatever group you want. And as you can see, it has set, and then you can do pex users, and it'll tell you your stuff, and it'll say your rank right there. And if you want players to be able to rank up by like clicking a sign or something, I would recommend rank signs. I'll probably make a video on how to use that, and I'll leave a link for it in the description if you already know how. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Later.